What are the signs of a bad Volkswagen fuel pressure sensor in Victorville? In your Volkswagen, the fuel rail is responsible for the supply of fuel to the fuel injectors. Fuel pressure sensor ensures that the engine cylinders receive the right amount of fuel at the right pressure. Moreover, these sensors calculate the pressure and sends the data to the ECU. When the fuel pressure sensor has failed, it will interrupt the engine's proper fuel flow. The following points define the signs of the bad fuel pressure sensor in the Volkswagen. Activated check engine light. Check engine light is an indication that something is going wrong in your engine. Defects in the fuel pressure sensor will trigger the light by the ECU in Volkswagen. Increase fuel consumption. When the fuel pressure sensor has failed, you will experience higher fuel consumption. As a result, the functions of the engine are affected badly and damage it completely. Difficult to start. If the fuel pressure sensor malfunctions, it sends incorrect information to the ECU. When it happens, the fuel supply is interrupted inadvertently and the car takes longer to start. Stalling engine. Improper supply of fuel to the engine will cause an unexpected engine stall. If this happens frequently, the fuel pressure sensor is not working properly to send correct information. Poor engine performance. A defective fuel pressure sensor will affect the performance of your Volkswagen. If you try to accelerate, your engine will not have an efficient fuel supply and cause poor acceleration. When the fuel pressure sensor of the Volkswagen has failed, it may affect engine functions. If it has failed, then without delay consult with a reputed mechanic to fix it. Visit us.